Hello, everybody. This is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I am here to do story time and a craft. Remember that even though story time and a craft has been on Thursdays, it is now moving to Tuesdays, okay? So starting next week, story time and a craft will be on Tuesday at 10 o'clock. Now, we also have a little bit of a confusing change. Next week, it will be on our YouTube channel, but after that, we are going to Facebook Live. Now, but with both ways of doing our story time, you will be able to find it later. So if it doesn't work for you to do 10 o'clock on Tuesday, then you can find it and watch it later and do the craft later. Okay? But please remember, starting next week, I'll see you on Tuesday. Okay? Remember to pick up your kit ahead of time so that you can do the craft with us while we're doing our story time. Okay? Okay, let's get started then. We're doing our newish hello song, so let's get going, okay? Are you ready? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello, everybody. It's good to see you. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Unless there's a baby in your house, then be quiet, okay? Hello! Hello, everybody! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as we can. Hello. Bye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as low as we can. Hello, everybody. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Everybody, hello, hi. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as nice as we can. Hi, everybody. It's so good to see you. Come visit us at the library, okay? Okay. So, today I'm going to do one of my favorite Storytime books. This one is super funny, and I hope that you at home watching this will do it with me, okay? Because there's lots of fun parts that you can do. And this book is Groovy Joe, Ice Cream and Dinosaurs, okay? And this book is written by the same people that do the cat books. So if that gives you any idea of how fun this is going to be. Yeah, here we go. Groovy Joe, Ice Cream and Dinosaurs. Groovy Joe saw something yummy. Groovy Joe started rubbing his tummy. Can you guys rub your tummies? Oh, yum. What does he see? Yes, it's an ice cream truck. Yes. Groovy Joe was living the dream. He had a spoon and a tub of ice cream, and he started to sing. I love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. Now I want you guys doing that part with me, okay? And you get up and dance if you want to, too. Yes. Roar! Oh no! A little dinosaur stomped into the room. Stomp, stomp, stomp. He glared at the ice cream and took out a What's he gonna take out? A spoon. He put on a bib and he pulled out the chair. And what did Joe say? What do you think he's gonna say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang, I love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. Roar! Oh no! A big dinosaur burst into the room. He glared at the ice cream and took out what's he gonna take out? Oh no! Oh no! Spoon. He took out a spoon. He pulled on a bib. He pulled up a chair. What did Joe say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang, I love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. What's going to happen now? I don't know. Roar! Oh no! A huge dinosaur smashed into the room. She glared at the ice cream and took out a... What did she take out? A what? A spoon. She put on a bib. She pulled up a chair. And what did Joe say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang, I love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. Roar! Roar! Oh no! The tub was empty, the ice cream was through, so the dinosaur glared at you know who. What did Joe do? Oh no! He turned over the tub and made it a drum. Groovy Joe beat out a rum-a-tum-tum, rum-a-tum-tum. Can you do that? Rum-a-tum-tum. That's right. The dinosaurs laughed. They rose from their chairs. They started to dance. They jumped in the air. Then what did they say? It's awesome to share. And everyone sang together. I love my doggy ice cream, love my doggy ice cream. That's right. And that was Groovy Joe, ice cream and dinosaurs. Okay? Okay, well, I have a rhyme for you that's about dogs. And it goes like this, okay? Call the puppy. Come on, puppy. Give him some milk. Brush his coat till it shines like silk. Call the puppy. Come on, puppy. Give him a bone. Then scoop him up and take him home. Okay, let's do it again now that you know it, okay? Call the puppy. Give him some milk. Brush his coat till it shines like silk. Call the puppy. Give him a bone. Then scoop him up and take him home. Okay. Now we're going to do our goodbye song, but you know that it's not really goodbye because we're going to do our craft afterward, okay? So let's get started with our goodbye song, okay? Wave high, wave low. I think it's time. We've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your tongue, and wave your nose. Wave your knees, wave your lips, blow a kiss with fingertips. Wave your ears, wave your hair, wave your belly and derriere. Wave your chin, wave your eyes, wave your hand, and say goodbye. Okay, let's look at our craft today. Okay, so hopefully you picked up one of these. Okay, and this is your kit. Let's see what's inside it, okay? I bet some of the things we know already, don't we? Let's see. One of these. Adults in the family, please make sure you snap a pic of your kids doing the craft or interacting with me in Storytime and send us a pic so we can share it on our social media and show other people what fun we're having. You can send it to Nancy@clearviewlibrary.org. Okay? Okay, so what else is in our kit? What is that? Oh, it's going to be a mask, isn't it? Okay, let's set it aside and let's figure out what else is in here. Oh, that's going to be to hook the mask on, isn't it? Oh, good. Okay, so you can wear the mask without having to hold it with your hands. Okay? Now, what else is in here? Oh, piece of paper. You might have brown or black. It's hard to tell what color. Is there anything else? Oh, something kind of fun. Pom-pom. What do you think the pom-pom's going to be for? We are going to make a dog mask, okay? So, now, this part would be your first thing that you would do. And you can color the paper plate part of the mask if you want to, okay? You can make one of the dogs have a patch around, one of the eyes have a patch around it, or you can make the dog polka dotted. You can make it brown or gold or black, or you can make it pink or purple or turquoise if you want to, whatever you want to do, okay? So you might want to gather some crayons or some markers, okay? You also might want some glue, definitely, and a pair of scissors, okay? So after you have colored your paper plate mask, make sure you're doing it with the curve to the outside so the bottom of the paper plate is the part that you're going to color, okay? Then you can get this, and this is for the ears. Now, you can make pointy ears that stick up, or you can make floppy ears, or you can make ears that just go sideways a little bit, whatever you want. I think I'm going to make my ears kind of floppy. And you know, one way to make ears where they both look the same is to fold your paper in half and then just cut out one ear, and you'll have two, okay? Now, if you don't want the dog's ears to look just alike, then don't do it this way, okay? Because dog's ears don't have to look just alike, okay? I'm going to make a little bit of floppy ears, so I'm just going to cut around like that, and then I'm going to go like this. That looks a little straight at the top. I'll make it a little curve here. So then I have two ears, okay? Now, I like Basset Hound dogs, so maybe that's what I was thinking when I picked ears like this. So I'm going to put some glue on my mask where I think those ears should go. So I'm thinking right here. And as usual, my glue isn't coming out real well. There we go. I'm going to put some glue there, and I'm going to put some glue here. Now, if I was making ears that stuck up, I might put my glue at the back. So you can see how you want to do it, okay? Remember that there's no right or wrong way to do this. We want you to do it however you want to do it, okay? So I'm going to push that down. There's one ear. Oops, and I got glue on me. Okay. And then the other ear. Okay? So you might have to pitch those for just a minute to let that glue really take hold, okay? Okay, there. So now I have a dog that has 2 eyes and a place for my nose and 2 ears. Now I think our doggy needs a fuzzy black nose. You might have all gotten black pom-poms, but I'm not sure. You might have gotten pink ones. Or mine actually is brown, it looks like. I thought it was black. So I'm going to put a little blob of glue right above the nose, right there, okay? And then I'm going to put my pom-pom on, and I'm going to press it down. Move it down a little. There we go. So now I have a dog that has 2 ears, 1, 2, 2 eyes, 1, 2, and 1 nose, okay? Now, hopefully you colored yours too, so it's really fun looking, okay? Now, we're going to put a piece of elastic around it. So I'm going to put my elastic in from the top. So hold on a minute and let me see if I can get it in. And this is definitely a place where an adult in your house might want to help you, okay? And I don't want to mess up my ear, so you might want to wait until that ear is really dry, the glue. There we go. And there's some elastic at the back, okay? Now, when you get that elastic on the back, have the adult help you make a little knot in it, okay? There we go. It won't have to be very big. There. And then pull it through. Now, the reason that I put it through the front is then I can put it underneath the ear and it'll help pull that mask around the face, okay? So I'm going to go around and around, and I'm going to come around and go down to the front on the other side. Now, adults, if you do it the other way and have a little knot in the front, that's totally okay too. Don't worry about it, okay? Like I said, there's no right or wrong way, okay? And hopefully you guys have a little easier time getting this through than I'm having. There. Come on. You might want to use something to push it through just a little. Be careful with those scissors though, kids. There we go. Okay. So now I have my string, my elastic, and I'm going to put another knot in the other side, okay? Now adults, those knots will need to be probably pretty close to the end so that there's enough elastic to fit around your child's head, okay? So there's 2 knots, 1, 2, and we'll pull, and then you can put on your mask, okay? So like that. There we go. I am now a dog. Okay? So if I want to run around the house and go woof woof, I can do that. Okay? So I hope you have fun making your mask and have fun playing with it and being a dog. Try not to be too noisy if anyone's sleeping. Okay? Okay. I will see you next Tuesday on the YouTube channel, and then after that, I will see you on Tuesday on Facebook, okay? Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.